Hi guys, welcome back, and today we're going to do a review. As many of you know, I am sugar-free or sugar alternative and have been for many years. It's exceedingly difficult to find things in the marketplace that are no sugar added or sugar alternative that taste really good. So today we're going to do a review on vanilla ice creams, and we're going to rank them according to appearance, flavor, texture, creaminess, and sweetness, and find out which one comes in the best. Okay, let's start with number one. Ooh, look at that beautiful white color on that. It's so white, it looks like snow. I'm going to give that, for color and appearance, I would say a 9 on that. Very, very creamy. There's something a little bit, maybe a little artificially tasting in that one. So for flavor, I'm going to give that a 5. The sweetness is just right though. The sweetness, I would give that a 9 on sweetness. Okay. Moving on to number 2. The color is a little, it's off-white. Color's not bad, but I would give that about a 7. Something a little artificially maybe about it. The creaminess and texture is not very creamy. It's almost a little bit icy on the palate. The flavor once again, it doesn't taste like a true vanilla flavor. Maybe a little bit artificial taste in there. I would say about a 4 on the flavor, and the sweetness ranking on that is, it's okay. I would give it about a 6 on the sweetness. All right, moving on to 3. Again, it has a little bit of that off-white color, off-white color. Not bad though. I'd say probably a 7 on that. Creaminess and texture is very nice. I think I'd give that an 8 on creaminess and texture. The taste, something different about this one. It doesn't taste like a true vanilla flavor. I'd say flavor on that one gets about a 5. And the sweetness is okay though. I'd give it an 8 on sweetness. Okay, moving on to number 4. Oh, this is very different. The appearance is lovely. I would give that a 9 on appearance. It looks more like something you would get, you know, from like an ice cream parlor or ice cream shop. The texture is very different. It's creamy, but it still has a little bit of a bite to it, which is nice, especially for people who don't like their ice cream to get really soft. And this one, flavor is really, really good. And there's a little hint of salt in there too on this one, which is nice. I would give the flavor on this one an 8. And the sweetness, I think the sweetness is right on the mark. I'd give this a 9 probably on the sweetness. Texture and creaminess on this one, that texture is really nice. And the creaminess is there, even though it does have that nice bite to it. I'd say probably a 9 on that one, texture and creaminess on that. All right, we're going to find out how these came in, guys. Find out which one ranks the best. Okay, guys, the results are in. Okay, now, on the review, it was very surprising what came in, and especially when you consider the price that was paid for these. Okay, so coming in at number 1 on a 40-point possible scale, the Keto came in at 35 points, ranking number 1. Breyers was second, which apparently was number 1, and Edy's was number 3, and the Bluebell came in at number 4 with 22 points. So, interestingly enough, the Bluebell, I paid, I think, $7 for this carton of ice cream, and did not care for it hardly at all. It had a chemical aftertaste to it, and just not pleasing on the palate. the keto was really, really good. And apparently, now if you gauge this as far as, you know, by quantity, by ounce or whatever, the keto would be more expensive, but I think I paid about $4, I think, for this pint right here. So there you have it. And the Breyers and the Edy's both come in at somewhere around $3.50, sometimes $4, depending on where you get them or if they're on sale. But they're usually my go-tos just because they're easier to find. Now in the lineup, it was a blind taste test, so I did not know which one was which. So it was curious, very interesting to me to find out which one I liked best on my palate. So there you have it, guys. And if you like what you're seeing, throw us up a like and a comment, hit that notify bell so you can see all the wonderful videos that we're uploading for you every week. And guys, do tell me what you think about this. And if you're trying things that you find better, ooh, let me know. That would be fun to know. Okay? And we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.